Are you happy now?
Guys, I have very good news for you because I have managed these 2 drones and that's why I can give that to you. I will do a giveaway. And guys, what you have to do is first step, like this video. Next step is subscribe Wirte Test and make sure that the notification clock is on. Then like Wirte Test on Instagram and on Facebook. And the last point is write a comment with viewers. Pick me. And then guys, you are able. Good luck to everyone. Now let's continue with this experiment. I'm so excited. That's so sad. One shot was enough to kill this phone. This phone doesn't start up anymore. It's completely done. As you can see, one shot here. But let's continue with this experiment. Now guys, this way, front side. And yes guys, was my crash test with this Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus and the gun. Guys, thanks for watching, and yes, see you in my next crash test. And thumbs up for new crash tests ahead.